When people talk about the new year, what exactly do they mean? Is it just about the change in date or calendar? In this video, I'll be sharing with you how there is nothing really new about the year and what you can do to make the next 365 days your best year ever. Watch out for how I summarize the old thoughts to give you that needed leap forward. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's begin. This year 2020 is that year every one of us will always live to remember. It started on a high and promising note, the beginning of a new decade. But little did we all know that it would be the beginning of a new era. 2020 means different things to different people. To some, it is the year when financial flow was terrible and business was very bad. To some others, it is just another year to stay alive. While to some, it is a year to rethink, reorganize, rebrand, and reach a new market. Whatever the category you belong, one thing is certain: we won't forget 2020 in a rush. As we prepare to take on the new year, I have read about how some people don't just want to give themselves any hopes. Such persons are still grappling with the pains and disappointments of 2020 and would rather live each day at a time instead of setting some high and seemingly unreasonable goals as far as they're concerned. Some can't wait for 2020 to just go away so that, like they say, they can start a new life. Some others are hoping that the new year will bring with it new opportunities and a restoration of all that they have lost in the outgoing year. A few others are truly enthusiastic about what's ahead. They have a strong faith that they will be so blessed in the coming days and that everything they touch will turn to gold. But beyond the optimism, they are also meditating, calculating, pondering, permutating, associating, and building bridges across the divides so that they can move from where they are to where they really want to be. It is this last category of people I am dedicating this episode to. These are the real MVPs who know what is at stake and are willing to take responsibilities for their outcomes in life. So the question again is, what must you do to maximize the new year? Let me share with you these 3 amazing tips. Number 1, gratitude. Be grateful to God of the universe that you are still alive amidst the hullabaloo's in time. Be grateful that you still have a sound mind and can sense and feel what's going on around you. Be grateful that you still have a chance at life and that you get rewarded for your contributions to humanity. Like my favorite verse in the Judeo-Christian Bible says, God is not unfaithful. He will not forget your labors of love in ministering to the saints. So, be grateful that you have a chance to be rewarded for your contributions on earth. My second point, sensitivity. A new year marks a change in season. In my part of the world, as the year ends, we usually experience harmattan and extremes of cold and heat. As the weather changes, so also must the people adjust. Adjustment shouldn't just be in clothing or home fortifications, but in mindset and actions. What makes the year new isn't the change in calendar, but the transformation of the individual going into the year. We cannot wish transformation. Yes, we should pray, but beyond that, we should delve into the root of who we are, why we've always got results we are not happy or satisfied with, and find out who God wants us to be and what we must do. When we discover God's plans for our new year, this reality separates us from the pack, brings clarity, calmness, and a confident assurance that we are on the path of peace and prosperity. And my third point is sincerity. One of the greatest disservices to self is to lie to oneself. We can escape lying to others, but we can never go away with lying to ourselves. To be sincere with yourself means you must ask some hard questions and be brutally honest in your response. 3 of such questions are: what must you stop doing? What must you keep doing? And what must you start doing? Have a sincere and realistic view of where you want to be. List the things you have been doing for a while but are not yielding the kind of results that will make you truly happy and fulfilled. Then you must determine to stop those activities no matter how painful it seems. Look at the results you have now and try to pen down the activities that brought those results. Or consider the activities that are foundational to your optimal functioning. For example, hanging out with your spouse and children, praying and meditating, reading books, and so on. Those should form your keep doing list. Itemize what could go wrong and come up with solutions in case they happen. What results must you have in the new year to make you truly fulfilled? And what are you not doing presently that, if you do, could make those dreams reality? Those should form your start doing list. I believe the new year will be a bounce back year for you. Just remember, be grateful for life, be sensitive to trends and changes around you, and be brutally honest with yourself to make the changes that will bring your happiness. Which of these points did you enjoy the most? Please drop your thoughts in the comments. Also, remember to subscribe and share this video with your loved ones. Till we meet in the next video, keep grinding, keep winning, and keep bringing in the laurels. I'm Dele Ayabankole. I believe in you. Bye for now.